Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up an OCO bracket order in Thinkorswim. An OCO, or one cancels other, bracket order lets you place a primary entry order along with two linked exit orders, a profit-taking limit and a protective stop. If one exit fills, the other is canceled automatically. This helps you define risk and target up front, and it keeps your plan working even when you step away from the screen. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform and make sure you're connected. At the top of the workspace, locate the Trade tab. This is where you'll access quotes and create orders. Next, click into the symbol field and select or type the instrument you want to trade. You should see the current bid and ask prices populate for that symbol, along with additional quote details. Within the Trade tab, choose the Trade Grid view. This layout makes it easy to right-click and build custom orders from the quotes. In the quote row for your chosen symbol, right-click on the bid, or ask price depending on whether you intend to sell or buy. Right-clicking opens the order menu that includes powerful, pre-built templates. From that menu, choose the Custom Buy or Custom Sell option that matches your intended direction. Immediately after that, select With OCO Bracket. Thinkorswim will build a three-line order, your entry, plus a limit order above or below for profit, and a stop order on the opposite side for protection. The two exits are linked in an OCO relationship, so only one can remain once the other fills. Now refine your prices. Use the small plus and minus controls on each order line to nudge the limit and stop levels to your preferred targets. Adjusting in small increments helps you fine-tune to round numbers or technical levels without accidentally moving too far. If needed, you can also edit the price fields directly for precise values and confirm each leg has the correct order type. Limit for the profit target, and stop or stop market stop limit for the protective leg. Before you finalize, review the time in force. For bracket exits, change day to GTC so your profit target and stop persist beyond the current session. This is especially helpful if you want your protection and target to remain active until the entry fills and the position is closed. Double check quantity, direction, and prices, and make sure the bracket legs are correctly linked. When everything looks right, your OCO bracket setup is complete and ready to be placed. That's how you quickly build a disciplined, risk-defined trade in Thinkorswim.